How to recover your Gmail account forgot password. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. So you might be in the position where you try to log into your account but you can't remember your password. Let's see how you can recover your password. Here you'll get to see the option of forgot password. Tap on it. It might take a few moments. Google will send a verification code to your phone number. So you need to choose whether to get a text or a call. Let me just tap on text. Now you'll receive one verification code on your phone number. You need to copy that code and paste it here. Once you have done that, here tap on update password. It will take you to the page where you can create new password for your Gmail account. Right here, enter the new password that you prefer. And for the confirmation, re-enter the password. Once you are done, tap on save password. Tap on I agree. Well, your password of your Gmail account has been successfully recovered. But if you're facing a problem where you are not receiving the verification code, in this case what you can try doing is head over to your settings and then move into apps, search for the application messages and then head over to it. Move into permissions, scroll down and you'll get to see the option of location. Tap on it. You need to enable this location, so tap on the first option. Once you have enabled, the other thing you can try doing is go back and head over to storage and cache. Here you need to clear the cache of this application, so tap on clear cache. Once you have done this, you will definitely receive the verification code and you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to recover your Gmail account forgot password. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.